Everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at the Translate app in iOS 14. So if we go ahead and select it, you're going to notice it comes up and you can see English or Spanish. If you select the language, you can then go ahead in and see all the other languages that are available, as well as offline languages, and you could do automatic detection as well. Now in here, I'm just going to go ahead and select the microphone and say, hello, my name is Brad. Okay, so hello, my name is Brad. Let it go a little bit and you can see the translation. Now what's really nice is if we go ahead and select and turn it sideways on your phone. So it's going to turn, it's going to look a little bit different. But you can see it translated. Now if you select the two arrows in the corner, you can go ahead and you can see that it comes up if you turn your phone sideways, full screen for people to see. So really cool to see. And if you want, you can always go in the bottom right, select favorites. And when you select favorites, you could go ahead and remove ones that you previously have used. So there you go. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.